What if I told you there's an AI bot that could help you make $50,000 every month in 2024? Sounds crazy, right? So here's the story. Just a few months ago, I discovered a method to combine ChatGPT with automation tools that skyrocketed my monthly income to $50,000. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the exact steps, tools, and strategies I used so you can follow along and implement this for yourself. ChatGPT has revolutionized how we use AI in business. Unlike other tools, it's not only intuitive but powerful enough to create anything from content to customer support solutions. When you use it with the right automation, it can do the heavy lifting for you, making money while you focus on other tasks. The main strategy I used is a blend of three powerful tactics: lead generation, customer support automation, and content creation. Let's break these down. I used ChatGPT to create high-quality, personalized content that attracted leads who were genuinely interested in my services. The AI handled basic customer inquiries around the clock, allowing my business to stay responsive and accessible. ChatGPT can generate endless content ideas, which I repurposed across different platforms to reach a larger audience. To make this all work smoothly, you'll need some tools beyond just ChatGPT. Here's what I recommend. To connect ChatGPT with other services and automate processes. To manage your leads and customer information. For consistent automated content posting. Here's a quick setup guide to get you started today. Sign up for ChatGPT and pick a use case: content, lead generation, or customer service. Connect your automation tool to ChatGPT and set up a workflow based on your needs. Test it out. Run a small test to ensure it's generating leads, answering queries, or posting content as you intended. And there you have it, the exact method I used to reach $50,000 per month with AI. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI-driven insights, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Let's make 2020